नमस्कार. प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळीन जाचें नांव आसा श्रावण महिना स्पेशल त्या दुसऱ्या भागान तुमचें सगळ्यांचें स्वागत. ह्या भागान आमी उलयतले श्रावण म्हयन्यान आमी शिवराक कित्याक आसता तें उलयतले भटजी बुवां कडेन, तशेंच उलयतले मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाचे डायटिशियन मिस नीना कडेन. आनी ह्या श्रावण म्हयन्यान कितें खावचें, मुळात शिवराक कितें जेवचें हो मोठो प्रश्न पडटा. ह्या प्रश्नाक उत्तर मेळपा खातीर हांव मातसो पणजे शारान भोंवतलो, खंयचे बरे रेस्टॉरंट आसा तें पळयतलो आनी तुमकां ह्या श्रावण म्हयन्यान बेस्ट थाली खंय मेळटा तें सांगतलो. आतां श्रावण म्हयना आसल्या कारणान हांव मातसो ह्या दिसाची किंवा ह्या एपिसोडाची सुरवात मातशें देवाक पांयां पडोवन करता. ओके. देवदर्शन जालें. आतां ह्या म्हयन्यान आमी शिवराक कित्याक आसता, श्रावण म्हयन्यान शिवराक कित्याक, हो मोठो प्रश्न म्हाज्या सारको तुमकांय पडला आसतलो. ह्या प्रश्नाची जाप घेवपाक आमी ह्या भटजी बुवां कडेन तांच्या कडल्यानूच जाणून घेवया शास्त्रांत अशें कितें आसा जें आमी ह्या म्हयन्यान शिवराक आसता तें.
हा महिना शक्यतो शाकाहारी राहावं. तसं आमचं जीवन, आमचं शरीर हे मांसाहारी पचवण्या इतपत सक्षम आतून नसतं. तर आमचं शरीर जे आहे, आमची आतली यंत्रणा जी पोटातली आहे ते शाकाहारी जेवणाचीच आहे. शास्त्रात सांगितलेलं आहे की शक्यतो शाकाहारी जेवण जेवावं. त्याच्यामुळे आरोग्य आमचं व्यवस्थित राहतं. त्याच्यामुळे कोलेस्ट्रॉल म्हणा, डायबिटीस याचं प्रमाण कमी होतं. म्हणजे शाकाहारी जेवतात ते माझ्या मते जवळजवळ 90% हे निरोगी असतात.
असं शास्त्रात कुठं लिहिलेलं आहे का की शाकाहारी जेवायचं असं नाही?
शास्त्रात कुठे लिहिलेलं असं नाही, पण स्वतःसाठी आपण ते पाळावं. स्वतःच्या शरीराला आता असं सांगतात की उपवास करावा. एकादशी, संकष्टी पूर्ण महिन्याभर आम्ही भरपूर खातो, रोज आम्ही भरपूर खातो, जे त्या जिभेचे चोचल्याने पुरवत असतो. परंतु एक दिवस जर आपण लंघन केलं, उपवास केला, तर आपलं शरीर परत त्या पोझिशनात येतं. त्याच्यामुळे उपवास करावा. आणि आमचं जे शास्त्र आहे ते विज्ञानावर अवलंबून आहे. एखादी पूजा आम्ही करतो ती सुद्धा वैज्ञानिक त्याला कारण आहे. पूजेचे जे मंत्र आहेत ते सुद्धा विज्ञानाला धरून अनुसरून ते मंत्र आहेत. आणि खूप वेळा आम्ही पाहतो आमच्या आता वटसावित्रीचं पूजन निसर्गावर अवलंबून आहे. आमच्या मुळात हिंदू धर्मात सांगितलेलं आहे, यत्र यत्र स्थितो ब्रह्म सर्वव्यापी महेश्वरा. ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी जीवजंतू आहेत, झाड असेल, पेड असेल किंवा नदी असेल, सगळ्या गोष्टीला हिंदू धर्मात देव मानलेला आहे. झाडाचं पूजन करा, नदीचं पूजन करा, तुळशीचं पूजन करा. हा तुळशी पूजन आम्ही करतो, त्यालासुद्धा एक वैज्ञानिक कारण आहे. ज्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला प्राणवायू जास्त मिळतो. अशा झाडाचं समजा आपल्या दारात पूजन केलं, तुळशीचं पूजन केलं तर जास्त फलदायक आपल्याला होईल. म्हणजे विज्ञानाचा आधार घेऊन आम्ही त्याला शास्त्र जोडलेलं आहे. ज्या ठिकाणी विज्ञान संपतं, आता विज्ञानाचे सगळे प्रयत्न संपतात, आता पुढे काय करायचं, तर अध्यात्म याचा आधार घेतला जातो. म्हणजे आमच्या शास्त्राचा आधार घेतला जातो. तर ताळखायची भाजी ही खाल्ल्यानंतर म्हणजे डायजेशन जे आम्ही म्हणतो ते व्यवस्थित होतं. त्यानंतर गणपतीच्या 6व्या दिवशी किंवा 5व्या दिवशी देवी पूजन येतं. तिला वैशिष्ट्य त्या याची शेगलाची भाजी करतात. याचं कारण ह्या दिवसात तो पाला जास्त येतो आणि आम्हाला नैसर्गिक भाजी, ज्याला काही आम्ही फर्टिलायझर न वापरता आम्हाला नैसर्गिक भाजी मिळते. ही नैसर्गिक भाजी आम्ही जर खाल्ली तर आम्हाला निश्चितच ते आमच्या शरीराला ते चांगले असतात. आणि पावसाचे दिवस असतात, नवीन नवीन भाज्या येत असतात. आणि आमच्या इथं गोव्यात किंवा अन्य ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलं तर लोक अजूनही असे कितीशे लोक आहेत जे स्वतःला वापरण्यासाठी आपल्या मळ्यात भाजी लावतात. हिंदू धर्मात हे शाकाहारी जेवावं, जेणेकरून आमच्या शरीराला ते चांगलं पचेल, आमचं सशक्त शरीर होईल असं सांगितलेलं आहे. मांसाहारी खावं असं कुठेही आमच्या शास्त्रात सांगितलेलं नाही. जेणेकरून निदान 1 वर्ष नसेल, 1 महिना तर आम्ही पाळूया.
हे असले म्हणणे भटजी बुवांचे. आता पळोवया मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलांतली डायटिशियन मिस नीना कितें म्हणटा ती.
Essentially, all religions stress on one important fact, that we have to take good care of our health. Okay, there's this saying that says if we don't drink enough water, it is a sin. At the same time, if we overeat, it is equally bad. Fasting is basically a mode where we deprive ourselves of many things that we are fond of and that form a part of our daily lives. So observance of fasting and abstinence prior to festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Easter, Eid, give us an opportunity to strengthen our spirit of sacrifice. At the same time, helps us detox our bodies of the various high fat or junk foods or the heavier high calorie foods that we eat throughout the year otherwise. Now the thing is, during fasting we eat a lot of healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, which are much easier to digest as compared to the non-vegetarian and fatty foods. So I think finally, ultimately our ancestors, the main reason behind having this fasting and abstinence is for our benefit, so that we can improve our lifestyles, we can have a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. People are more of vegetarian during that time. There are two important aspects for this reason. One is they basically consider more it being a breeding time for fish. They don't eat fish, chicken, because they feel that in this month, if they don't have fish, they'll rather help increase the quantity of fish that is available, so it helps breeding time. At the same time, the other aspect is on thinking on the health point of view, where throughout the year they are being non-vegetarian, they're eating fish, chicken, different types of non-veg foods. So at this time they give their body rest. It's more of kind of eat more of vegetarian foods to cleanse your system, to kind of keep it on a low calorie or a rather healthier lifestyle than the non-veg foods that they eat throughout the year.
आता पळोवया श्रावण म्हयन्यान पणजेन बेस्ट वेज थाली खंय मेळटा ती. श्रावण म्हयनो म्हटलो काय आमकां गोंयकारांक मोठे प्रश्न पडटा, कितें जेवचें आनी कितें खावचें. ताटान कांटो आनी हाड नासल्या शिवाय आमकां म्हाका दिसता उणी वचना. अशा ह्या श्रावण म्हयन्यान कितें खावचें अशी ह्या प्रश्नाक आतां उत्तर दिवपाक हांव आसा फिदाल्गो भायर. आनी अशें म्हणटात की सगळ्यांत बेस्ट थाली गोंयांतली खंय मेळटा ती हांगासर फिदाल्गोन मेळटा. कितें तर चला. Hi Sanjay. Hi.
Good evening.
Fine. Today we have with us Mr. Sanjay Jha, who is the food and beverage managers at Fidalgo. And today I hope you'll share the secret of the veg thali at Bhojan restaurant.
Definitely.
I assume that it is, and a lot of people have told me that it is the best thali which is available. And since a lot of people in Goa are veg in these days, the next 1 or 2 months, and what is the best option? And I want you to share the best possible secret
We'll go with the restaurant called Bhojan, which is where we do around 250 thalis every day.
Oh, great.
And the menus changed every time.
Okay.
Means the lunch menu is different from the dinner menu, and no menus are repeated.
Yeah.
We have got the best of the best Gujarati chefs who are working with us, and with the expertise in fact with the Gujarati food, they're doing a marvelous job. Great. And we have all the compliments for that restaurant. And though there are suggestions which comes and we keep on implementing. Perhaps that's the reason for the success of that restaurant. We'll take you to the restaurant.
This way?
Yeah. So the food is there's a separate kitchen. The guests who are coming over here, they have trust with us that the food is getting cooked in pure vegetarian environment, and it is like that. Even the dishwash is separate. Even the pot wash is separate for Bhojan as well as for the LOB, Legacy of Bombay. Where for the Shan festival we are doing Sravan festival, and we are doing a promotion which started from 5th July, and it will go until 31st July. So the chefs have designed a special menu, and the menus have got a very good value for money. And our main target for those restaurants are give value for money.
Well, Sanjay, I am really very much excited now to taste the thali.
Definitely.
So, where is
what
the...
we'll show you also how the chefs do it,
Great.
and then we'll give you a trial of the thali.
I am not very good in kitchen, and even my mom crips about it. So again, I don't want to mess around and do something a big kind of an experiment. So I would let you professionals go cook it. And then the best thing I like to do is to sample it.
Definitely.
Which I'll do that.
We'll do that.
Okay?
We'll do that.
I'll sit here and
I'll go kitchen and do some nice 2-3 samples for you.
Awesome.
We are going to do the dish, very popular dish called dahi bhindi. This is a very famous dish, and as you can see from here, the chef is getting his pan ready. He's going to do some tempering of the cumin, and after that he'll put the bhindi. Now when the bhindi is fried, he'll fry the bhindi in that. It's a very simple recipe and it can be made very easily in the house. Now chef has got some secret masalas which he has already taken out, which is few of them I can tell you, which is red chili, turmeric. So once it is cooked, with the chef's secret masala, turmeric powder and red chili. He will cook it. As you see, the bhindi is about to get done, ready. The specialty of our Maharaj is that he can change the dish every day. He can do the taste exactly as per the taste of Gujarat. You see, he has added the masala in that. Now he will finish it with the dahi. So it takes very less time to prepare, and it's a very good dish to have, and one of the most popular items in our menu. At last, chef has finished it with some coriander leaf, and now he's ready to serve it. Though usually we cook in a big amount and we keep it in the bain marie, and whenever there is an order, we plate it in a small portion balls and place it on a plate, big plate, and then we serve it to the guest. It has come like this. The next dish which we'll be doing is the malpua, which we all know. It's a very famous item, and our chef will be doing that. He has already got the batter of the malpua ready. Take your time as well as making sticks. आप बताना चाहेंगे इसमें आपने क्या क्या मिलाया मालपुआ का बैटर बनाने के लिए?
पहले इसको दूध लेना,
हाँ,
दूध को गर्म करना,
हाँ,
गर्म करके उसमें 200 ग्राम मावा डालने का,
ओके,
मावा को मिक्स करने का,
ओके,
उसमें मैदा डालने का,
ओके,
मैदा का घोल करने का,
हाँ,
हल्का येलो कलर डालने का,
यस,
चाशनी बनाने का, और उसमें फ्राई करके चाशनी
चाशनी में डालने का. This in fact means the combination of milk and condensed milk with some dry fruits in that, which can go well with that, and chef has to be very particular about the consistency of the malpua batter. If it is thick, it doesn't come well. If it is very thin, it doesn't come well. This is all expert hand which makes it to the perfection. And I would like to also tell you that the dishes which we have got over here, all the dishes which you find has been made with the minimum amount of the spice and minimum amount of the oil. We use the best of the best branded ingredients to make all these. The process of making the batter of the malpua is slightly takes time and in fact slightly tedious, hence we have got the batter ready. Get a problem.
So how was the cooking exercise? I am very bad at in kitchen rather.
Yeah, it was very good, and I'm sure the sample is going to come and you will taste and you will.
I'm really very much excited. As I told you before we went to the kitchen, I'm really very much excited to taste the proper thali or a special item what you've made for me or maybe even the Goan viewers who are watching this show now. Something special, something very unique one.
Thanks. Now Chef Vishal is over here. Like